and this is the Showdown car I haven't seen. This is the first I've seen. It's a 2012, 13. No, 13, 14. Pretty cool though. So Showdown in the lanes, guys. No, sir, I have not seen this one. I wonder what. It'd be interesting to see. Oh, Holbrook. Really interesting to see what this thing runs. Anyway, guys, not many cars, maybe about 20. But we got to do it. Hey, man, what's going on, bud?
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. Good to see you.
Good to see you. I didn't think I'd see you back in them.
Yeah, I'm always here.
Oh.
I'm going to be back. Good to see you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Jesse's running too. Yeah, Jesse Alexander's running FX and this. Nice.
Direct connection. They're unveiling.
I got 3 daughters. I got 11 grandkids.
These guys will be out soon. See what the office looks like. Looks pretty good. How you doing, bud?
Good. How about you?
Oh, I wish I was in there. Good luck, man. Yeah. Kevin Skinner. We'll check out his office. He uses a little different shifter than most guys. We're going to run down here. It's Lenny Loddick with his... Lenny, just say hi.
Hey, how you doing?
There's a couple ones back there. They're not really all up here now right now, but very cool. So I think there's 20. We got another Mustang back there, and all right, guys, we're gonna start this up again because a bunch more cars came in. So I'm probably overlapping a little bit, maybe not. But I just want to show you the rest of the cars that come in. I'm gonna run up there and get some pictures.
It was good a couple hours ago for having a shootout.
You don't see too many Mustangs in here. There's a bunch here. Mr. Hemp? Bunch of Mustangs. You don't see too many.
Yeah,
Jonathan, he wants to be back in stock, dude. He loves running both stock and super stock. All right, guys, I'm going to run up there because we'll go by this way. Show you some cars that we don't see much. How you doing, bud?
Good.
That's the last one, guys. All right. So we're gonna go up there. We'll get some pictures, and that's it for. Showdown in the lane.